In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to permanently delete your Whop group community. Before we start, keep in mind that deleting a community is a permanent action. Once it's gone, you won't be able to recover its settings, content, or member access. So only follow through with this if you're absolutely sure you no longer need that community, or if you've already moved your members elsewhere. First, open your browser and go to your Whop Business Home dashboard. Make sure you're signed into the correct business account, especially if you manage multiple projects or brands. You should land on the main overview page where you can see your business information, sales, and different tools. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see a vertical menu. In that column, look for the option labeled Products. Go ahead and click on Products. This is where all of your products and communities connected to your Whop business are managed. Give the page a moment to load, and you should see a list of everything you currently offer. Now, in that product list, locate the specific community you want to delete. Take a second to double check that you're selecting the correct one, because this process cannot be undone. Once you've found it, look to the right-hand side of that community's row. You'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots, sometimes called the More Options or Kebab menu. Click on those 3 dots. A small drop-down menu will appear with a few different options for managing that community. From this menu, select Delete. At this point, Whop wants to make sure you really mean it, so it won't remove the community immediately. A confirmation window will pop up asking you to confirm that you want to permanently delete the community. This is your last chance to stop if you're not completely certain. If you have active members, you may want to notify them ahead of time or export any important data before proceeding. If you're sure and ready to go ahead, click on Delete again in that confirmation window. After a brief moment, the community will be removed from your products list and it will no longer be accessible to you or your members. And that's it. You've successfully